Hi, I'm going to show you how to draw a butterfly. Okay, first we have to set a symmetry. Go to modify and then select action tool and then select symmetry. Then select setting again and then select the horizontal. Then start to draw a butterfly. I use studio pen brush and gel pen brush for the butterflies. And then I'm going to put color, so I will create a new layer, and then you have to set a new layer to drawing axis. Every new layer will set to the drawing axis because it will help you to paint just one side. It's easy, paint just one side. Keep changing the colors. Yeah, for making the colorful butterfly. Do you believe that you can paint the butterfly on your iPhone like this? Okay, after you finish painting, minimize the size of the butterfly, and then we are going to paint the flowers. You can see the end result on the top skin. Sorry, because my camera cannot focus on the flower when I was painting. Just resize the flower and then copy and place and then move them around. Then it's done.